Hey, it's Jorge here, your guy with the bow tie, and I'm inside this luxurious black label SUV, wanting to take a minute to introduce the new 2020 Lincoln Corsair. An exhilarating and expressive evolution, the Lincoln Corsair elevates every experience. A true 5-passenger, 2-row compact luxury crossover, the smooth acceleration and sensational suspension delivers an energetic and effortless driving experience. Standard with selectable drive modes, Lincoln Co-Pilot 360, luxurious aesthetics, LED lighting throughout the entire vehicle, blind spot information system, Lincoln Embrace, and a double firewall to keep your unwanted outside noises out of your cabin area. 3 new interior colors with 100% genuine leather seating, available with ambient lighting and intuitive technology. The Lincoln Corsair's thoughtful design and intelligent technology exhilarates you, all while creating a sense of serenity with every commute. To set up an appointment to experience this for yourself, place an order, or simply just learn a little more about the new Lincoln Corsair, contact your #1 Lincoln store, North Park Lincoln. And as for Jorge, your guy with the bow tie.